Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're talking about Cosmos Atom, currently ranked number 26 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 year it has gone as low as $5.5 and as high as $44.7. In this video we'll be taking a look at our Cosmos bear market strategy. Should we be buying more through the bear market? Should we hold our stash? Or should we even sell our stash into the pump expecting lower prices? Cosmos is currently trading for $8.42, and we're taking a look at the Cosmos US dollar price chart, Cosmos against Bitcoin, also look at Cosmos against Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at Cosmos market cap chart, and then we'll formulate our bear market strategy. Where should we buy more? Where should we sell more if we're going to sell? And if we're going to hold, how low can Cosmos go in the bear market? We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Cosmos has a market capitalization of $2.4 billion, trading for $8.43. Where can you get some Cosmos? You can get it anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. What makes Cosmos unique? A major concern for some in the crypto industry centers on the level of fragmentation seen in blockchain network. There are hundreds in existence, but very few of them can communicate with each other. Cosmos aims to turn this on its head by making this possible. So this is a very awesome project. They are doing good work in the crypto space. You can get them on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Hugo Global, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. And this is the second time we're covering this coin on this channel. Let's take a look at the Cosmos dollar US price chart. A lot have changed since we actually made the first update. The market was dumping right here. You can see that we actually had the chill pill here in May. And after that, we dumped further low, and we dumped to as low as $5.5. That was the lowest price seen in the last 1 year. So how low can it go? This is the Cosmos US dollar price chart from 2019 till 2022. So we have 2 years worth of price history for Cosmos. And this is the ranging period for Cosmos. When Cosmos was launched in 2019, it was ranging. It actually lost 83% of its value, which culminated in the COVID sell-off on the 13th of March. That was the lowest Cosmos got to before it actually started pumping, and it went on a wonderful bull run that took it over 3,000% against the US dollar. Cosmos rose from as low as $1.3 to as high as $44 at the top of the bull run. A lot of people bought Cosmos thinking, you know what, up only from here, we'll continue pumping. You can see the volume is showing that a lot of people came at the top right here. A lot of people bought thinking we'll continue pumping into new highs. But since then, we have been dumping, and since when Cosmos stopped, and when it topped was the 7th of January 2022, it actually double topped. The first top came in September 2021, second top came in 10th of January 2022. Since then, Cosmos has been dumping. It has actually dumped 86%. It has lost 86% of its value in just 150 days. The bear market is brutal to all coins, Cosmos included. So how low can Cosmos go in the bear market? The standard thing for all coins to do in the bear market is to drop lower than Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you see Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping to as low as 85%, you expect Cosmos to perform poorly, just using past history of how other altcoins have performed. If we assume that Cosmos might drop maybe as low as 90%, we might be buying some Cosmos around $3.8. But right now, we got to a low of $5.5. A lot of people were shocked we got to as low as $5.5 because, guys, 5 months ago we were actually trading for $44, and that was in January 2022, and here we are in June trading for $5. And guys, it can still get lower, but in the last 1 or 2 weeks you can see Cosmos is actually pumping against the US dollar. It has increased by 53%. So should we be getting more in the bear market? Are we going to continue pumping to the moon, or are we going to dump further? Because, guys, we can actually see Cosmos dropping maybe as low as 94% from the all-time high during the bear market. And if it's dropping 94%, we might see it get to as low as $2.4. And from where we are right now, that's almost a 60-70% dump. If you see Cosmos getting to $2.4, from where we are right now, Cosmos is trading for 8.4. That means Cosmos will have to drop another 70%. Is that possible? Hell yeah, guys, it's very possible. And the bear market is brutal to all these altcoins. You can see that even before Cosmos started going on its bull run here, it had the 72% dump here. It recovered. It had another 72% dump here. So it dumping 72%, it's not new. But from the all-time high, it's down over 80-something%. Is this the bottom of Cosmos? Can we have lower to go? I think we'll still go lower. So let's see how Cosmos is performing against Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is the king of the market, and so if you have an altcoin that is outperforming Bitcoin, you want to pay close attention to that altcoin. Cosmos, from the top of the market right here when it was launched against Bitcoin, had a mad crash. It crashed more than 91% in just 174 days against Bitcoin, and then it started having some relief. It had a pump here, it had a dump, it had another pump, and then it had a final dump, the COVID sell-off. And the COVID sell-off was the bottom for Cosmos. It lost over 82% of its value again, which meant from the top where it was launched, cumulatively it has lost 92% of its value before it found its bottom. And then it started pumping. Cosmos against Bitcoin went up. It went up over 600% in barely a year. But after that, it topped. It couldn't set a new all-time high. You can see Cosmos was launched here against Bitcoin, and we have not set a new all-time high since then. We have just been ranging, and now, right now in the bear market, Cosmos is losing value against Bitcoin. From the top here that happened in January 2021, Cosmos lost another 76% against Bitcoin. But altcoin market has been seeing some relief in the last few weeks. Cosmos has been gaining. From the 12th of June 2022, Cosmos has gained over 65% on its Bitcoin pairing. So Cosmos continue pumping to the moon, or are we going to see it dump further? Only time will tell right now. But guys, if history is anything to go by, we know a lot of these altcoins in the bear market will lose value against Bitcoin. You can see that even in 2019, where Bitcoin was in the beginning phase of its bull run, you can see that Cosmos was losing value against Bitcoin at a rapid pace. Right now in the bear market, and that the macro conditions is not actually favorable for actually Bitcoin to pump, I believe a lot of these altcoins will actually dump well. So this feels like an exit pump. Only time will tell if I'm right, but this feels like an exit pump. A lot of people will get bullish right now, trying to buy, thinking we're going to go into set new all-time highs. Guys, the bull run is over. Right now we're in the bear market. Any pump you see should probably be for you to get out of that position if you are not willing to hold it through the long haul. Some people will actually hold Cosmos through the bear market. They wait for the next bull run for it to pump. Some people actually sell, hoping to buy lower. Some people actually be buying, hoping that the bottom is in. But if the bottom of Cosmos is in, you have to ask yourself this simple question: is the bottom of Bitcoin in? Because Bitcoin is the king of the market, and Bitcoin most times actually bottoms before a lot of these altcoins. So you want to be looking at the Bitcoin price chart, making sure that Bitcoin has actually bottomed before you start accumulating a lot of these altcoins. Let's take a look at how Cosmos is performing against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, Cosmos has been losing its value. Even during the bull run, Cosmos did not really outperform Ethereum, which is crazy to see. A lot of these altcoins during the bull run, they actually just outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum just because they pump harder than Bitcoin and Ethereum during the bull run. But guys, Cosmos is not one of those altcoins. It had a mad dump against Ethereum. It was dumping, and in 659 days, Cosmos dumped more than 91% from its launch date against Ethereum. And we see that during the bull run, there was no any wild gain against Ethereum. There was a 195% pump here, and here was less than 300% pump, 230% pump, and the last meaningful pump Cosmos had against Ethereum was a 174% pump. So it has this time against Ethereum where it's pumping. That doesn't mean it's generally pumping against Ethereum. A lot of these altcoins, you see that in the bull run, they will outperform Ethereum with crazy margins. But Ethereum actually pumped more than 50x. So for you to outperform Ethereum in the bull run, that means that coin probably pumped more than 50x. Cosmos did not pump up to 50x. You only got a 30x return on it. That means it only got, on the dollar pairing, you only got a 3,000 return on your investment. And you can see that on Ethereum, it's actually outperforming Ethereum in the short term. It's up over 46% on Ethereum. Is this trend sustainable for Cosmos against Ethereum? Only time will tell, but history has shown that over time, Cosmos is losing value against Ethereum. Let's take a peek at the Cosmos market cap chart, and this was actually a cool story. Cosmos market cap was less than $10 million. It rose to as high in the top of the bull run as $11 billion. Crazy to see. It actually almost touched $12 billion here on the 19th of January 2022. From where we are right now for Cosmos, for it to get to a new all-time high, it has to pump over 404% on the market cap chart. How long will it take you to get there? Only time will tell. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, what will you be doing with your Cosmos through the bear market? Will you be hodling it through the bear market, through the chaos? Will you be selling your stash right now, hoping to buy at a cheaper price? Or will you be buying more, hoping that the bottom is in and we're going to the moon? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. 7, 1, 2, 3.